We'll guide you through how to create a film look in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Go to the color page, where you'll spend most of your time crafting the cinematic look. Begin by adjusting the primary color wheels. You want to add some contrast by increasing the gain slightly and lowering the lift. This helps in achieving that rich, dynamic range typical of film. Next, focus on the midtones using the gamma control to add warmth. A slight push towards the orange or teal can mimic the classic film stock look. Now, head over to the curves panel. Here, you can adjust the RGB curves individually to fine-tune the color balance and saturation. It's a subtle touch, but it can really make your images pop. After that, go to the LUTs tab. DaVinci Resolve offers several film emulation LUTs that can give you a great starting point. Apply one that matches your film's style, but remember, less is more. You can adjust the LUT strength using the key output gain. If the LUT is too strong, dial it back to maintain a natural look. Finally, don't forget to add some grain. Film grain is that special touch that adds authenticity to your footage. You can find this option in the OpenFX library. Adjust the size and strength to match your footage. Remember, the goal is to enhance, not overwhelm. Once you're satisfied with your corrections, play back your footage to ensure everything flows seamlessly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.